Head, are you ready to watch a little more cutting? All right, here we go. Let's do it. Let's start it with a super guy from down Arizona way. We're talking about Mr. Mike Wood. This guy's won over $1 million in cutting pin. He's riding a horse that has almost won $250,000. It's Smart Stingray teamed up with Mike Wood. This is Smart Stingray's 5th Mercurial World Series Finals. Mike Wood's going to come out, throw down. Everybody, you know the game. We're going to watch the best of the best of the best horses in the world, the best trainers in the world right here. Yeah, Mikey. Also a little of that Rancho sand around. You bet. You bet. The money won by the 8 cowboys and cowgirls here tonight. I don't know what it tops, but I bet it's somewhere around $40-some million, if not more. The best in the business right here. We're going to do it again. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, Mike Wood. Let him run down. Do it right here. Yes. Old Whitey's making him hang in there and cut a whole lot. Yes. You see that right there? He had to wait until he was made sure that cow turned away from him. All right, we've got one more to go. Oh, this is what it's all about. You're going to be seeing this for the next 8 horses, I promise you. The best of the best that brings them all out right here. This horse is number 2 in the world, and this is why right here. Come on now. And the entire world of cutting horses, you're watching the number 2 in the world right here. Come on, Mike Wood. Ladies and gentlemen, there it is. There it is. You're there, Mikey. You're there. That horse is owned by Jeff and Michelle Lemaster.